We all hit a moment where we look at our life and we are just disappointed. Not in a big dramatic way, just that quiet, uncomfortable feeling that something is off, the routine is broken, and we keep saying we will fix it tomorrow, and tomorrow never actually comes. If this was any other video, I would give you a motivational speech and tell you to believe in yourself. But that is not what this is. We do not need a speech, we need a plan. Day by day, shift by shift. So this is a 7-day reset, 7 small shifts. And by day 7, you will not feel like the same person who hit play right now. Let us get into it. Most resets fail because they ask for too much, too fast. This one does not. Each day has one shift. One thing we actually do, not just think about, small enough to start, compounded over 7 days, it changes everything. Day 1, fix the foundation. Day 1 is sleep. Think of our energy like a phone battery. We do not blame the phone for dying. We charge it, but we run on 30% every day and call it a discipline problem. Today, pick a wake time. Hit it tomorrow, no matter what. No snooze. That is day 1. Day 2, fuel the machine. Day 2 is water. Dehydration does not feel like thirst. It feels like brain fog, low energy, and bad moods. We call it a bad day when it is just 2 liters we never drank. Today, drink 2 liters. That's it. Fill a bottle in the morning, finish it twice before bed. Day 3, appearance. Day 3 is how we look. And this is not about vanity. People see our face before they hear a single word we say. When our skin looks tired, we feel tired. When we look sharp, our brain gets the signal that we mean business. Most guys either do nothing for their skin or they are using random products that do not work together. And our skin is different. Oily, bigger pores, shaving irritation. We just ignore it, which is exactly why for day 3, I want to bring in something I have actually been using, and it fits perfectly here. It is called Tiege Hanley. And before you skip this, hear me out. It is not complicated and it genuinely works. Most skincare brands are either way too complex or some all-in-one product that does not really do anything well. Tiege sits right in the middle. It is a complete system. Face wash, exfoliating scrub, AM moisturizer with SPF, and PM moisturizer. Everything works together, takes 2 minutes. It is built specifically for men's skin. Handles oiliness, pores, and shaving irritation. The stuff we actually deal with. Over 3 million boxes sold, 25,000 plus 5-star reviews. It is proven, and the difference is visible fast. Skin looks cleaner, sharper, more awake. You start looking like the better version of yourself. If you are doing this 7-day reset seriously, this is the easiest visible change you will make this week. Right now, you can get up to 40% off on your first box, plus a free gift. Just hit the link below. You will notice it. So will everyone else. Day 4, move the body. Day 4 is movement, not a gym plan. Just move. A stagnant pond collects algae. A river stays clean because it keeps moving. Our mind works the same way. Today, 20 minutes of anything. Walk, push-ups, run. Just do not stop moving for 20 minutes. Day 5, clean the space. Day 5 is our environment. Visual clutter is mental noise. Our brain processes everything it sees. We think we are unfocused. We are just living inside static. Today, 30 minutes. Clean 1 space, desk, room, kitchen, just 1. Then 5 minutes every night to keep it that way. Day 6, build the muscle. Day 6 is discipline. And here's the thing, discipline is not a personality trait, it is a muscle. And like any muscle, it grows through small, repeated stress. The mistake we make is going from 0 to everything in 1 week. We burn out by Thursday and feel worse than when we started. Right now, pause this video. Write down the one thing you have been avoiding this week, the thing that just came to mind. Type it in your notes app. That thing you just wrote down, that is your day 6 task. Do it before you sleep tonight. That is the rep. Day 7, choose who you are. Day 7 is a decision, not a habit. Every action we take either confirms who we are or who we are becoming. Today, write 3 sentences that start with, I am someone who, fill in who you are choosing to be. Stick it somewhere you see it every morning. That is your new identity. Everything from here is just proving it right. The full reset. Day 1, sleep. Set a wake time. Do not snooze. Day 2, hydration, 2 liters. No excuses. Day 3, skin. Get a system that works together. Day 4, movement, 20 minutes, anything. Day 5, environment. Clean 1 space, maintain it. Day 6, discipline. Do the one thing you have been avoiding. Day 7, Identity. Write it down. Live it. Right now, there are two types of people watching this. The person who nods along, closes the tab, and tomorrow is exactly the same as yesterday. And the person who sets a reminder right now and actually starts day one. You already know which one you want to be. The question is what you do in the next 60 seconds to prove it to yourself. Save this. Share it with one person who needs it. That is all I had to say in this video. I'm out.